Hey yo, I go by the name Tessel Tag. Welcome everybody to the 2020 Malaysian Food Fest. Are you guys ready to try the taste of Malaysia? Here we go. Let me walk through. Go. Assalamualaikum, welcome and welcome to the Malaysian Food Fest, specially organized for you. Feel free to try out our delicacies. We got it all from fruits to meat to pastries. Let us start our day with some breakfast. Nasi lemak, roti canai, your hops and crackers. We love them all, but we'll never deny kaya and butter in a bread toaster. This a must try. Wonton mee, you can get it bar free. Everything is halal over here, cause we love to eat. Food is a form of happiness and we love to share it. Multiracial recipes, we mix and blend it. Come and chill with us, have a rojak or chendol. To indulge in sweetness, have a Milo Tabo. Lunchtime, we got a lot to choose from. Come on everybody, let's crush the papadums. If you're feeling exhausted, please take a break. Have a satay with a glass of teh tarik. There are many types of durians all around Asia, but the king of them all is from Malaysia. Filled with plenty of nutrients and other fruits. Burst of flavors, it's sweet and savory. Try it out today, it really tastes good. The Musang King is creamy and tasty. Haha. Anyways, stay safe, lovely people. Let your taste buds explore some new flavors today. Holla from Malaysia. How are you, USA?